Hi, this is Lance Crane of the Release Technique. The Release Technique is a self-help program designed to improve various aspects of your life, including financial abundance. This simple technique can help you improve your finances. By releasing negativity and limiting beliefs, you can materialize unexpected financial gains. Many graduates have reported increased income and financial stability after practicing the technique. See, the reason the Release Technique works to achieve financial freedom is that it's based on 3 core truths. Core truth number 1, it is your own suppressed negative feelings that are the root cause of all your depression. Core truth number 2, all of us have the inborn natural ability to let go, erase, all of our suppressed feelings like depression that have a negative hold over our lives. Core truth number 3, the more we pull up and let go or erase our suppressed negativity, depression, anger, frustration, stress, etc., the lighter, happier, and healthier we become. Look, here's the best way I know how to describe it. The mind works just like a computer, and your suppressed feelings, subconscious programs, are like a virus interfering with your success, sabotaging every effort you make to change your life. That's why traditional success techniques that show you how to get financial freedom fast rarely work as well as they should for most people. See, what traditional techniques have in common is that they're all about flooding your mind with positive words and images. Nothing wrong with that. But here's the problem. Since the age of about 5 years old, we all get into the unconscious habit of suppressing our feelings. These suppressed feelings, subconscious programs, then act like a virus that eats up all the positives you put into your mind. To learn more, go to www.releasetechnique.com to sign up for a live class or get a free sample of this simple technique.